Okay, so for these three, 21 and 24, you want to multiply the exponents first and then simplify. So I would take this negative 6 times 2 over 3, and it would become negative 12 that was weird. I don't know what happened. But it would be negative 12 over 3, which would reduce to negative 4. And part of me wonders, oh, okay, never mind. It's just applying to the A. I didn't see that A there. So you would have A to the negative 4, and then that 2/3 would also distribute to the 1,000. So you would have 1,000 to the 2/3, and then A to the negative 4th power. So to simplify that, the A would go to the bottom. So you would have 1,000 to the 2/3 over A to the 4th. And then you need to simplify the 1,000 to the 2/3. So you start with the denominator, and you're going to take the cube root of 1,000, which would be 10, because 10 times 10 times 10 becomes 1,000. So then when I cube root it, I have 10. Then I do the numerator, so 10 squared would be 100. So my final answer would be 100 over A to the 4th power. On 24, I'm going to multiply the exponents, same thing. I feel like on the quiz there was like one more out here, but I can't really remember it. So if there were, you would also multiply those. But you would take 2/3 times 5/4, and then like I said, if there were another one, then you would just multiply again. But since there's only 2 here, I'm just going to do that. And then you multiply across, so it would be 10 over 12, which reduces to 5/6. So my answer would be A to the 5 over 6. And then on 8.1b, solve for x. So you got to this point, the negative 64 to the 2/3, and then you put negative 16. So when I take the cube root of negative 64, I do get negative 4, but then I need to square that. So when you're squaring the negative 4, that's when it becomes positive. So if you have an even exponent, it's positive, and then if you're cube rooting an odd, or you're cubing a negative, so if you're cube rooting a negative or you're cubing a negative, basically if it's an odd exponent and it's already negative, then it's going to stay negative. So it's going to alternate. I hope that helped.